Omar Khadr had his first taste of freedom in over a decade when he was let out on bail a month ago. After today, that freedom could be permanent.
We believe strongly that Omar Khadr's convictions will be overturned.
That's because the U.S. Court of Appeals set aside convictions against Ali al-Balul, an alleged al-Qaeda recruiter who spent years in Guantanamo Bay. The court ruled that his conviction for conspiracy was flawed because it was not a war crime, and that the military court in Guantanamo Bay was out of its jurisdiction. Khadr also pleaded guilty to war crimes at the same military tribunal, which he said was only to get out of Guantanamo Bay. Now, his lawyers are hoping today's ruling means his conviction will be set aside too.
What it suggests then is that Omar Khadr served 12 years for something that was not a crime.
The opposition says the government should simply stop pushing to put Khadr back behind bars.
The Conservatives, they just are so stubborn on this. They want to keep appealing and keep recasting this kind of narrative of Omar Khadr somehow a threat to us. What is clear from the decision in the States is that the whole process was bogus.
But the Conservatives aren't prepared to budge.
He was a confessed murderer yesterday, he's a confessed murderer today, and he will be a confessed murderer tomorrow. This decision in the U.S. has changed nothing.
Some criminal lawyers say it could change not only Khadr's life, but other former Guantanamo Bay detainees as well.
It's a sharp rebuke to the creation of a system where people are detained and then tried for crimes that were not war crimes at the time they were detained. So it appears to be a slap at the entire system of military justice.
Khadr has been waiting almost 2 years for his appeal to be heard. After today's decision, his lawyer is hoping their case is next in line. Lisa.
All right, Lori Graham in Ottawa. Thank you, Lori.